How's it going, everybody? It's another awesome day here in Japan. Today we got Josh and Scott, and I'm playing tour guide again. But this time we're in Kamakura, going to Hase?
Yeah.
Oh, I nailed it that time.
Yeah,
I was calling it Hase. Either way, we're gonna go up there, check that out, and then try to rush over to the Buddha before they close, because everything closes around 5 o'clock here. And we left ourselves like an hour to do all this. Last time I was here was in December. It's been a while. Different camera too. Yeah, this place is always awesome to visit. 400 yen, not a bad price. Awesome place. Let's go to the cave. The low light setting on this camera looks really good. Oh, I can't wait to see Scott crawl through there. All right, here we go. Go. That's too funny. I did a video about these places, the Big Buddha, Hase here, and then of course the big shrine over there in main Kamakura. If you haven't seen that video, link up here. Last time I was here, there wasn't these beautiful flowers. These things look awesome. Got your koi down here, wonderful waterfall. But now we're gonna go up top where the views are. This is one of my favorite parts about the whole place, is no cameras allowed in there. The ocean being right over there, and then views on views. And they have this nice decoration up for the celebration of the shrine in there. This is not Scott's first time out to Japan or here before.
Nope.
You want to say hi to anybody?
Hi, everybody.
The
and
Javan.
anybody.
The Javan answer. I see what you did there.
Hi, everybody and anybody.
Yeah, we went to Ducky Duck the other night, and I was like, "You want to give a shout out to anybody?" He was like, "Hey, everybody, or anybody." But yeah, cherry blossoms are starting to bloom. That video should be coming out soon. This is one of my favorite views in all of Japan. Don't get me wrong, Inoshima, Atami definitely stole the show for me. But for local, real quick, 10 minutes out, this place is amazing. What do you think of this place?
I think it's beautiful.
What's your favorite part?
Buddha was amazing.
The no camera area.
I think that must be what they're talking about. The golden Buddha, like that's what it is.
Okay,
I think that must be what people are talking about.
What about this view behind you?
The view's nice, but I'd say that Buddha inside was even more breathtaking. It was like wow.
I have been here many times, and I'm out of breath. But look at this view. There's a staircase I've never found before. My man Josh here.
Curiosity got us up here.
Yeah, there did. But that's a lot of stairs. But that was worth it. But now we have 15 minutes to make it over to the Big Buddha before they close. Yeah. So would you say it's worth coming here?
Absolutely.
400 yen is not a bad deal for those views. Yeah, and
it's beautiful.
That statue in the middle that you cannot see unless you see it is pretty awesome. Yep. My man Scott back there, he's tired though. He worked all day.
We all work today.
And here we are at the giant Buddha with the giant Scott. As we quickly raced over here, we made it just in time. We had exactly 8 minutes before they wouldn't let us in, and here we are though. Was it everything you're hoping for?
Yeah, it's awesome. Super cool. Super awesome. Super great. Super fun.
I always like coming here. It's a big open space. The Big Buddha. And my man, Big Scott. It's cherry blossom time. Always a good time at the Great Big Buddha. And I got this. If you look, really small dot. I can't even show you how small that dot is. And you look through it, there's the actual picture. And it's on that little spot right there. It's so cool. Like, it's a keychain. So whenever I get home and I put on my keys, I'll have the Great Buddha everywhere I go. So now we're gonna head back on the train, head back to Kamakura, because we are hungry. We're stopping by the ice cream shop here, and you can see they have all the different flavors here. Look at that. Ooh, that one's called soda. How is it?
It's good.
Now we're gonna walk down Komachi Street here in Kamakura. There's a bunch of shops, toy store, the green tea store with all things green tea. And we're at our last temple shrine location of the day. As you can see, the sun is setting, but these guys still wanted to keep going, so we did not get food yet, but we will get food right after this. Yeah, hungry. If you've been watching my videos, you may recognize this place. I could not say the name correctly, so in that video, the one where I go to Kamakura Big Buddha, I just kind of like highlight it here because yeah, it's pretty long and I could not say it right. Even with Google Translate, did not help out. They're gonna go up the stairs. I'm not going up the stairs. We've been walking quite a bit and I've rolled my ankle 3 times already today, so it's going good. Last shrine slash temple on this trip today, and was it good?
Yeah.
I like this one. They usually have festivals here and everything, but now we have to go eat because I'm one. We haven't been trying to go eat for a while now. We are having a bad time trying to find some food. We've been gone to 2 burger places. We went to Rooftop and then we went to Dragon Burger, and both of them are either closed or out of meat to serve burgers. So we're still looking for a place to eat. We finally made a plan. We're gonna eat at, I cannot say the name right. That place was delicious and actually very cheap to eat at. It's right across the street from the KFC here, and the train station is right there. So you come out of the train station, make a right, come to where the KFC is. Oh, I am stuffed, and I only spent like $13, so really good price. Well, that's it from our trip around Kamakura today. Did you have a good time?
Yep.
That's awesome. I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button, of course.
And I gotta say hello to my mother.
Oh,
she appreciated that last time.
Oh yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, hi. Please subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we're still touring Japan. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.